Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin. This is part of our series of It's the Little Things That Make a Difference. This video is about the extended brake lever arm. And we're going to be talking about how this little thing here, this little change here, makes things much more comfortable. Normally, when you sit on the bike and you go to put on the brakes, you have to lift your foot way up like this to get to the brake pedal. This, look at, I just can go like that and put my foot on the brake. I have a lot more control over how much rear brake I do. My heel is firmly on the floorboard and I have a lot more control versus having to go like this and get my foot up off because the brake pedal's way up here. Lift my foot up and get my foot on the brake pedal without having a pivot of my heel firmly on the rest. I can't do fine control of the rear brake. And of course, if you've watched Riding Like a Pro, where you use the friction zone in your rear brake to be able to turn without duck walking your bike, you need to have good control of the rear brake with the throttle, with the clutch, to be able to turn around without doing a 15-point turn to get your bike turned around. So have this extended brake lever. It puts the brake lever lower at a much nicer angle for a lot more control. And it's little things like that that make a difference. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share this video with your friends. It's the little things that make the difference, and I'm sure they'll be appreciative of it. You all ride safe out there.